Would you like some cheese on top, sir?
Why, yes. Give me a heart attack amount.
Right away, sir.
Excuse me, my good man. Could you put some into my soup?
Why, of course, sir. Would you also like some in your water, sir?
Why, that sounds delightful. Once you're done with that, my good man, could you just pipe it straight into my mouth?
Without hesitation, sir.
Most excellent. Oh, it's raining cheese, and this is my birthday, huh?
Very good, sir.
That
ラッシュの速さ比べか